Right. Watching the video. Got a lot of volatility on the video this morning. Thank you for joining the Stock Sniper. If you caught that bounce on the video at $90, congratulations. I caught it at $100. For a long-term investment. That dip we got last week, I let a lot of people get in. On that video. Remind me I'm eating my breakfast. Let me see how the stream is looking. I haven't done this in a while, and it seems like they changed it up a little bit. Let me check it out. It's 9:12 in the morning. Good morning, good morning. Had a couple people ask me how the stock market been doing, so then I go live and show. Money Monday. The video's on the run right now. So $5 on the day so far for football, $4.70. Let me see. Everything is good on YouTube. Check it out, check it out. trouble. Come on. Put my top on my water jug. Okay, let's see what's happening. Oh, we're breaking that 110. Let me look at something else, y'all. Check out the 30-minute time frame. See, that's that dip from last week. Well, last week when they were talking about the stock market gonna crash, it went all the way down to 90, which was a great buying opportunity for a long-term investment on NVDA. I picked up more right here, right at 100. That's when I picked up a little bit more. So if you are trading, you picked up right around, you bought in at 90, that is the best entry right there at 90, a share on NVIDIA. Yeah, this is not gonna be a long live. Somebody just asked me about how the stock market been doing last week. I haven't been showing my trades that much, and I haven't been talking about trading as much. So I figured I'd just go live a little bit, see what's going on this morning, share it with the people. See, a lot of people are asked, like when they know you in the stock market and you talk about investing, a lot of times when they hear that the stock market is down, they'll be like, well, hey, bro, how's the stock market going lately? But little they know is that you can make money on when the stocks go up, and you can also make money when the stocks go down. So it's just about timing and knowing when to get in and when to get out as far as day trading. Bro. And when the stocks go down, it's a perfect time to buy more if you're on the long term side. Oh, that's just mostly people that don't know anything about the stock market. When they know that when people start saying, "Oh, the stock is crashing," then they'll start asking me, "Well, man, how's the stock market doing?" I just said, well, it's doing fine, it's doing great, it's doing awesome. Because I know that when somebody starts talking like that, I know that they're not into the stock market, and I know they really don't know that when the stocks go down, then that's a perfect buying opportunity. You can get a lot of these companies on wholesale, like NVDA, like Google, Facebook. So like now they was talking about the stock market crashed. Guess what? People that got money in their trading account, which I always preach, open up your trading account and put you some money in there just in case. You can get a lot of these companies on wholesale. A lot of people bought this big dip from last week, 90. Like I caught it. I got some more shares at 100. Like, and now look, it's on the way back up. And if it dips back down, guess what? I just buy some more because it's a long time investment. AI, which NVIDIA is an AI stock, AI is here to stay. So I buy some more NVIDIA. I buy some more the overall stock market, which is SPY. Boom, I buy some more SPY. Well, all this bleeding right here from 565 all the way down on the SPY, the overall market. I had my line right here, my support line from previous support, which is back here. That's my support. Okay, I'd already planned this out. Well, if the market drops and hit my support line, which I did my analysis, and that's my next support line down here. I just pick up more. Actually, if you're in the stock market and you are a long-term investor and you know it's great companies, guess what? You want the stock market to drop, then you just buy more. That's how it works. Always have money in your brokerage account just in case. So yeah, that's my strategy. On the long-term side. Yeah, that's the SPY right there. And I could look at Tesla. If you own a Tesla, you should be invested in the company. Okay, let's go with Apple. See, if you got an Apple phone, last week when they was talking about how the stock market gonna crash, boom, a lot of people bought in right here, bought the dip. Now look, it's on the way back up. From 237 to 196, and it's on the way back up. And this the Webull platform that I'm on, by the way. I like Webull platform a little bit better than Charles Schwab. Charles Schwab is my main platform, but I like Webull a little bit better as far as the charts. I just like the way it looks. But yeah, this is just the day in the life of a day trader slash investor. You know, go back to NVDA because I am watching NVDA. Let me go back to the daily because I'm watching NVIDIA as a day trader. Those other time frames, 30-minute, 15-minute, that's, you can see the overall market abroad. But when you day trading, you want to look specifically at 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute. I mostly like the 3 minute, but everybody has their own preference. I mostly like looking at the 3 minute. And one thing about me, what I realized is that I can't, well, I ain't gonna say I can't, but I'm not used to streaming and trading at the same time. And what I've noticed, that's why I really stopped live streaming my trades, is because I wasn't used to streaming. I was just used to do day trading without talking, without no camera. And what I noticed was when I was doing that, for the people that's wondering why I haven't been streaming my trades any longer, is because it was a distraction from my trading. It was actually hurting my trading. So that's why I stopped. But I just been thinking about it a little bit. What I might do is just like use a simulator, which is like fake trading. I might use a simulator to get my streaming and my trading aligned together so I get used to doing it without worrying about, taking any losses. So that's what I've been thinking about doing lately, is just get used to streaming and trading at the same time. And the only way I'll be able to do that is if I use a simulator and practice like that. So, and I will let y'all know, if you're interested in that, as far as that type of content, want me to stream my trades, I will probably do it for about 6 months. Through a simulator, which, if you don't know what a simulator is, this is like trading like a video game. Basically, it's a video game software for day trading. Which, if you knew, if you're interested in trading, that's what I recommend, that you start trading with a simulator. It's video game trading, and that's how you can get used to trading and the ins and outs. It's a quick way to learn. So that's what I think I'm gonna do. I'm gonna use a simulator and trade. Yeah, NVDA to hit that top up there at 111.07 that's the high of the day, and there's some selling off going on. That's why you see this red. That means they're selling off, but which that's why I talk about you can make money on the stock market whether it goes up or down. You can do a put contract, sell shares short, and make money on the way down. Which a lot of people don't know that. Yeah, so when you see the market crashing, there's people making money on the way down. On that crash, there's lots of money being made. Just like there's a lot of money being made going up, it's a lot of money being made going down. Yeah, I'm eating egg whites, vegan sausages, and avocados. See how long I've been live? 23 minutes. It's the 1 minute time frame. These are 1 minute candles. Each candle is 1 minute. Each one of these candles are 3 minutes. If you're just not joining, I am watching NVDA, AI stock. Quite sure y'all have heard about NVIDIA a lot. So I'm watching that this morning. It's up $5 on the day. It had a nice run up this morning of a high of 111.07, and it's pulling back a little bit. Now it's trying to find a little support on the way back up above the 9 EMA. And there goes a little push. This is a 1 minute candle. Down here is the buying volume bars, which is every minute. On this time frame, these are 1 minute bars. I'm gonna see what Apple doing. We love Apple. Apple's been running up this morning. Let's type in the SPY, which is the overall market. So all the big companies together. It's got the SPY is Apple, Facebook, Tesla, NVDA, Amazon. It's basically overall is overall stock of the whole stock market, basically. Which is the SPY is the easiest way to start investing in the stock market because it has all of America's greatest companies inside of this. It's kind of like a 401k plan. That's the easiest way to describe it. There's a whole lot of different companies in one stock, which is the overall market, which is the SPY, the S&P 500. As you can see, the SPY had a big sell-off this morning, which is the overall market, and now it's on the way up. Let me look at the 30-minute frame from last week. What date is this? See, this is when they had the big crash. Was last week. I know everybody heard about that, which was a buying opportunity, you know. So now today is a fresh new week, which is Monday. Since I've been on live, usually I watch CNBC, so I really don't know what they're talking about this morning, but I would think that they're not talking about the stock market crashing anymore. That was last week's talk. So a lot of people bought in, and now it's a new week, and it's looking good. From a long-term perspective. Yeah, it's not gonna be a long live. I had a few people in the comment section asking me how the stock market was doing, so I figured I'd go live and talk about it a little bit and show a little something. And, and let the people know that you can make money on the stock market. That's why I love the stock market so much, is that you can make money on the stock market even when it's crashing. You know, you can make money on the stock market if it's going up or down. And actually, some people just trade that type of way. They just trade the downside of the market. You know, they call it, I don't know if you heard this terminology, but it's bears and bulls. Bears meaning that they betting on the stock market to go down. They love crashes. That's why they call bears. Bulls, no, they ride with the stock market going up. So it's people that just trade the downside. So yeah, it looks like StreamYard changed the buttons up a little bit. So I'm gonna have to figure it out how to get off this live. So yeah, stock market is doing great. So I think that's my time. I've been on here 30 minutes. Appreciate y'all for joining. That stopped by and checked it out. So to the next one, this is the stock market. This is the stock sniper. I'm out.